Welcome to my channel. There are many different types of jade rollers available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Face Roller Muscle Tension Relief, reduce facial puffiness and help your skin look fresh, firm your skin and make it look dewy and lifted. Jade Face Roller, the at-home skincare face massager tool, is made of rose quartz. The face and eye roller is sturdy and not squeaky. The massager roller is very smooth and well made. It provides cooling and energizes the skin. Gua Sha, not only can lift your skin and improve fine lines with upwards pressure, but it also helps to shape your jawline. Tips: you can keep the facial jade roller and Gua Sha in the fridge and it helps to reduce morning puffiness and get the skin refreshed. We suggest you wash the beauty skincare tools, face roller and Gua Sha, after and before each use. No noise, the jade roller is made with a noise design. It gives you a more smooth and quiet skin massage. The small white piece helps you stay away from squeaking. Reduce puffiness. The jade roller works by providing a cooling sensation on the skin, firming skin, and reducing puffiness. It's soothing on the face. Brighten complexion. Regular and correct use of a jade roller and Gua Sha can help to stimulate circulation and relieve the appearance of under-eye circles. Shape your face. You can use Gua Sha to shape your jawline and cheekbones and easily work it into your routine, especially if you already use a face oil. Self-care at home. Gua Sha and jade roller help relieve tension in the face and reduce muscle pressure. Gentle massage at home will make you relax and calm. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.